Welcome to Grand Turk. We made it.
Guys, we're in Grand Turk this morning.
So this morning, I think we're just gonna go like walk around, maybe see if there's any souvenirs we want. Caroline has a birthday in a couple days, so we definitely got to get her a present. Then there's just a bunch of free beaches here in Grand Turk, right off the pier. So we are going to swim, maybe try to do a little snorkeling, see how that is. The water looks beautiful. It's a nice, bright, sunny day out there.
Last night in Camp Ocean, I was playing a four-corner game. There's four corners, and each one had a name. Miami was the first one, Grand Turk was the second one. Cove was the third one, and
Nassau
was the fourth one. Someone was it, not a kid. It was one of the workers. And when the music was playing, you had to dance. When it stopped, you had to go to the four corners. The first one I ran to was Miami. They said,
Bienvenido a Miami.
and they said Amber Cove. So I didn't get a punishment. You have to do something if you get picked.
Clean the area. Clean Camp Ocean. It's the end of the night. It's a great way to put you all to work.
So what do you rate Camp Ocean so far? 1 star or 5 stars? Or somewhere in between? 4 stars so far? All right. Pretty good.
All right, that's Charlie's Camp Ocean report. Show me your cute hat.
Pretty cute.
Good catwalk.
Get yourself together. We gonna have a good time.
All right, when we entered off the pier of Grand Turk, we took a right. I think most people head towards the left, towards the music at Margaritaville. Actually, this music behind us isn't from Margaritaville. Take a right. There's a nice little restaurant over here. Of course, we got the ship right behind us here. And the girls are up ahead exploring. I think we picked the wrong excursion. Shade, 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 shade.
Okay, let's do our whale pose.
So while the side over here to the right when you get off does have some nice features, the water's a little too rough and wavy for maybe 7-year-old to have true fun in. So we're gonna go back to where everyone else is. It's not a problem. We'll be able to enjoy a little bit more of the offerings over there, some drinks maybe. We'll see you on the other side of the dock. Don't get the camera wet. I mean, I guess I'm taking it underwater.
We're in Amber Cove.
You're not good at this four-square game or whatever you call it. 4 corners.
We're in Grand Way.
Grand Turk.
We're in Grand Turk. Mommy's afraid of the water.
This water?
I'm totally done with it.
Welcome to Grand Turk, beautiful Carnival Celebration, taking us here on this Thanksgiving weekend in 2022.
My ride came.
This is a dunking ride. I hope she knows it.
No. Charlie got this adorable sun hat. Fits are perfect. Good sun protection. Nice
Whoa.
dip.
Did you fall in the hole?
Rubs off a little bit here.
A really fun photographer over there. It's like a magician pouring drinks. Pretty fun. What do we get?
We've got Turk's Head Brewery, lights for the ladies and lager for the men.
I'll try both. And water for the child.
All right, we're gonna go chill in the water.
Cheers!
All right, let's take you underwater. All right, you gotta hold on. I'm letting you go. $5 goggles from, where did you get them from?
Five Below, I think.
Oh.
Hey, they are working pretty well. Charlie, what are you having?
Strawberry milkshake.
Slushy.
Milkshake, is that what you call it? It's a virgin strawberry daiquiri. Rain's got a little Miami Vice action going on here. And we've got the triple swirl with a little mango tango in there. Cheers to Grand Turk.
Yummy.
This is better than the beer that they have.
Yeah. Charlie, how's yours?
Peachy.
Peachy.
Welcome to Grand Turk. Cheers.
A crab dance. Crab dance. Crab, 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 crab.
Hey guys, come take a swimming trip with me. So we are heading to the bushes right now and get see a fire on them. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. Let's go back to my cabin.
Did you see this dog?
So that might be it for us here in Grand Turk. We might head back to the ship. Charlie's enjoyed swimming. She's born to be in the water. So this is a great port for her. She was able to easily walk off the ship, swim in the ocean, swim here in the pool as well. But we got to dry off and relax and have a couple of cocktails. The drinks here were pretty strong, pretty tasty as well. We spent about $70 for 3 sets of drinks for the 2 of us. Oh, plus a virgin strawberry daiquiri for Charlie, her first time trying one of those. Grand Turk is beautiful. I think we're just tired. We stayed up pretty late last night. While we did sleep in, we still got up probably earlier than we needed to. So we're probably gonna go back on the ship, get some free lunch. What are we gonna have?
I don't know. We haven't had any blue iguana yet.
Tacos?
Yeah, tacos.
Street eats. We are going to stop and get some souvenirs because this is a very beautiful port. There is a lot to do in the water. Whether you want to swim in the pool here at Margaritaville, it's free.
Beautiful.
Or do you want to swim in the ocean? It's right off the port. Very, very nice. You get a wonderful view of the ship. Of course, we're sailing on the Carnival Celebration. It's first inaugural sailing out of the U.S. and it's just a beautiful, beautiful ship. No rust to be seen yet. We're going to rust it up for you. Let's see what Charlie thinks of Grand Turk. Charlie, what do you think about this port?
I love the pool.
Let's go get some souvenirs.
Where do you want to go?
We're going to head south. We're going to head straight south. We're going to head south off this map to the Dominican Republic. Straight south, all the way off the map. Yep. See y'all in the Amber Cove. I'm going to give 5 stars to the better dancer. Give the cruise director a high five.
Right there in the blue chair, give him a high five. High five.
He needs a high five.
Woo! Oh, celebrity Charlie. Show us how you eat fancy, Taco.
What do you use this for? Why don't you just bend over and eat it like a chicken? I think it's a kitten.
Kitty, look at her little tail.
Sexy kitten. Or sexy koala bear. All right, it's about 3:45. We are ready to conk the shell out and definitely no main dining room tonight. We'll catch you when we wake up. Maybe we'll catch the sunset as we're departing Grand Turk and we'll see what the night brings us.